Hi and welcome to this video. I will now show you how to remove this MMI screen on an Audi A1. The screen was dead, so that's why I had to remove it. Of course, the first thing you have to check is this one. In my case, it was okay. But first, you need to remove the stereo, and I use this one, this stereo remover things, and you see there's one hole here. You put it in like that, one on that side, you press it in, and one on that side, and it will lock up a little. You can see that's what's holding it in. So when you press this one in, it will lock up that one. And when you got this one out, like this, that's the first thing. Next thing is this one. This has to come out also. And the way to get this one out is to push your hand in and push it out. So when you get this one out, you have to remove these ones, both of them. And these ones are held in with some metal clips there, you see. And the way to get these ones out is to push your finger inside and lock it up. And when you get it locked up a little bit, you use like this one, and when you get it locked up a little bit, you push it in and you force it out, and it will come out like that. Also this one, same with this one. And there is I will show you that. So it's like this from the beginning, and inside of here there's there you can see it's held up with this one, and the hardest thing is to get those clips out. But I use this light, and there's a trick for this. You use a flat screwdriver. Yes, you can see the clip there inside a hole. You push the screwdriver like that. Okay. And one side come out. And just the light to the other side. And on this, you can see the clip over there. And you made the same thing there. You can see the screwdrivers on the clip. So, yes. And you just push it out like that. And in my case, it was pretty simple, because this white connector you see there, it has gone out. So I just press this one in. And the screen starts working again. So pretty easy fix this time. Of course it could be harder, than you have to change the screen, but when you've gone this far, it's pretty simple. So just 2 clips on the front, and you take it up and pull it out. And if you change this one, there's 2 connectors. One over there, and this one. I guess these stripes were a little bit tight from the factory, or this clip. So a lot of ups and down on this will get it to the connector to come out. So